Hi and welcome to a new section on sending SMS with Python. In the next video we will be writing the actual Python script which sends an SMS to your mobile phone from another mobile phone. In this video we will set up an account. Now what is this account? Well, to send SMS with Python, unfortunately it's not free. You have to use some third-party services. But fortunately, there are services which give you some free credit, which you can use to send SMS, and then every SMS that you send is being taken out from that credit. It's about $0.1 or something like that, depending on where in the world you are sending SMS. And that third-party service is Twilio. So you should go to twilio.com and then sign up for an account, fill in those data. You should get an email. You need to go to that email and confirm it, and then after you confirm it, you should be able to go to the page. This says try later, maybe go to the home page. Yeah, so click there, and the next page is again a verification. You need to enter your phone number here. So that's a condition that needs to be satisfied to be able to create an account and be able to send SMS via Python through Twilio. So fill in your number here and you'll get an SMS with a confirmation code. And once you verify your phone number using the code that Twilio sends you, then you should fill in this data here. So we want to use the SMS product of Twilio. They have different products as well, which can be used in relation with Python. Let's say for alerts and notifications, it doesn't matter what you choose there. I'll choose with code here. So we are using Twilio through Python. The preferred language is of course Python. And would you like to host your code in Twilio? Yes. And click on Get Started with Twilio. Then on this page, you have some details such as you have the account balance, so $15.5 I have. And if you want more, you need to upgrade and pay, of course. We have the account SID here, which we will use to connect with Python, and also the authentication token in here. And you want to go to get trial phone number to get a number from which you're going to send SMS from. This will be my number. It's an American number. Choose this number and the number should be created for you. So that's the full number. If you press on done, you should also see the phone number down here in the main page. So in develop, this is my number. Then next, what we want to do is you want to go to the read quick start doc. That should open this documentation. And you want to go down to Python. And let's now configure our environment to work with Twilio. So on REPL, I will create a new REPL with Python and say send SMS. Create a REPL. And let's see now what we have to do. So click on that button to start. You can sign up for a free Twilio account here. We did that already, so we can press on I've got an account. What's next? Yeah, so we have 3 operating systems here. The one I will be using is Linux because REPL is based on Linux, so we are basically in a Linux operating system in here. So we have to run this command, so select it and copy it, or just press this button here, click to copy, go to REPL and go to shell. Not to the console, go to shell and paste that. So that command is to install node.js. Then we have some other commands here, but first you want to go to this link and we have these commands that we need to run. So that's installed node.js, but we need to configure it with these commands. So go to REPL, make sure this has finished. Yeah, it finished in my case, and paste that other command, execute. Yeah, nothing happens, that's okay. Go back to here, that's all we have to do on this page, close that. This is again our Twilio guide. You want to copy that command, the first one, go to REPL, paste it, execute, successful, go again to the guide, get the other command, but careful here, you don't want to paste this thing, so you want to do nvm use, and then the version. So nvm use, the version in my case is this one in here, you see v16.13.0. So you should write your own version as well that was installed with the previous command, so v16.13.0, and execute. Yeah, we got this message that node version 16.13 is being used now. Everything is going well up to this point. Then you want to install this package on Linux. Now on a REPL, the command is slightly different. You shouldn't do sudo apt get install, but you can do install-pkg, a space, and then this package. Copy that, paste it there. So that's a complete command. Execute. Yeah, the installation went fine, so I'll go back to the guide. And lastly, we want to install Twilio command line. So copy that code, run it again. Yeah, successful. And lastly, this command should update to the latest version of Twilio. So run that also. Done. Next. Yeah, so next it says run Twilio login, but that's not necessary in our case. So we can skip that because we're using Python to login. And yeah, also this one, if you don't currently own a Twilio phone number, we already got a phone number from the web interface, so you can skip that too. And then we need to install Python. Python is already installed on REPL, so no need for that either. But we need to install Twilio. So just go to REPL, to the packages menu, and search for Twilio. That one. Click the plus icon. And my package was installed. Twilio is installed. Next. So we install with the REPL package manager, so you can skip these commands. And lastly, we are ready to send an SMS. And that is the code. This one here. So just copy it, go to REPL, in your main.py file, paste that code. Right. There are a few things we need to change here. So we import OS, and then we import the client class from Twilio, and then we need to change the account SID to reflect our account. The way this is working is through environment variables. So this should be an environment variable registered in our REPL. Therefore, you need to copy that key and go to secrets and paste that key here. So we are creating a key with a value, and the value should be your account SID. So here on Twilio, my account SID is this one here, so I can copy that, go to REPL and create this value, press on add new secret. You'll see up here that this has been added. Now we also need to create another key, which is this Twilio auth token, the authentication token. The key is that, the value is again on the website here, under the account SID. That was the account SID. This is the account token. So you want to copy that and paste it in here. And press on add new secret. And now we should have those two registered in our environment, Linux environment. Next, we create this client instance using those two account SID and authentication token variables. And the message is this one. So body of the message, this one in here, from. Now this should be your Twilio number, the number you got from Twilio, which in my case is this one in here. So phone number, the US phone number. You want to paste it in here and then 2. This is the number you want to send an SMS to. Now, as far as I know, for free Twilio accounts, as we have now, you should use your own number, the number that you used to verify your Twilio account. Otherwise, the SMS will not go through. So use your own number here. So I entered my number here and now I can run this script. And I hope you heard the ring that my SMS is already here. In the SMS that I received, I can see that this body of the message is there, and Twilio is also adding some other text because we're using a trial plan, so that's fair. And that's how you can send an SMS via Python. I'll talk to you later.